Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I will show you how to create an end-to-end relationship in your data model. For that, I open up the VisionX Designer on the right and choose for my example my employees screen. Once it opens up, I want to click on the editing pencil on the left bottom corner. I want to create a relationship where my employees can have multiple items of company equipment, such as a cell phone or a notebook. I want it so my employees can have more than one of these, so I need to establish an end-to-end relationship. First, I need to create a table for storing all of my equipment, which will be assignable to my employees. So I go back to my screen and click the New Table tab at the bottom and then the plus button. For my table, I want to rename the label Equipment. Next, I want a row for the name and also maybe the serial number. Afterwards, I click Finish to create the table. Now I want to create the end-to-end relationship. To do so, I need to edit the employees table. Remember to unlock database changes. I need to first make a subtable by clicking the plus button and choose Make Subtable at the top. I will name my subtable Employee Equipment. Now I want to create a relationship between the two so I can assign multiple pieces of equipment to my employees. For that, I need a combo box for the employees. That is already there because of the subtable functionality, and I need a combo box for the equipment as well to make this assignment. To do so, I highlight the field and click Combo Box. For the combo box, I want to choose Equipment. Now I have a combo box for both the equipment and the employees. This is the end-to-end relationship. It's very simple even if you don't have in-depth knowledge of data model. You also have the option to make it in the UI. For ease, I am going to make my window a little bigger. Then I will choose my Employee Equipment subtable at the bottom and drag and drop it into my Employees screen. I will also enlarge this a bit on the sides so that it fits the screen nicely. I want to make sure the correct information is shown in the combo box, so I click the Edit pencil where I can see all of the information. Unfortunately, I don't currently have any equipment to assign, but as I have shown in another tutorial, I can create a drop-down menu in a new screen where I can choose from multiple options. In the design mode, we can now designate the equipment. I just highlight the employee I want and click plus in my equipment subtable. I can now add, for example, an iPhone. To add another, I click plus again and I can choose the Dell XPS as well. And that's how you create an end-to-end relationship. Thank you so much for watching.